You guys asked me to show you another CPA marketing free traffic method, and today I'm going to show you exactly that. And actually I'm going to show you a method that many of these guys on YouTube are teaching you, but they are teaching you the wrong way. I'm going to show you a right way to do this, so you will never be marked as spammer and you will never be banned. And yes, this is CPA marketing free traffic method. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to create a content locker. So I'm here on CPA Grip, and what you need to do, you need to click here on monetization tools, and then click here on URL and file lockers, and then click here on create new locker. Click here to agree to the terms of condition, and then click here on continue. And now you need to create a content locker. So what you can do is you can simply click here on one of these templates and choose one of these templates here. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this template here. Just click here, and here you can see how this template looks. And also what you can do is you can actually adjust this template a bit so it fits your needs. So what you can do is you can simply go here on style, and what you can do is you actually need to offer them something to these people in order for them to fulfill some survey, to submit their email or something like that. So you need to give them something in return. So what you can do is you can actually go on PDF Drive, and here in search bar you can search for ebooks, free ebooks. So let's say, for example, I'm in weight loss niche, so I can simply type here weight loss. Okay, and then click here on search, and here you can see weight loss related books, ebooks. And let's just say I wish to use this ebook here, the obesity code. And let me just make this a bit larger so you can see 60,000 people downloaded this ebook. So which means this is actually a good ebook. So what you need to do, you actually need to hover over this image, right click here, and then you can simply go here and copy image address. Go back on CPA Grip, and this is important. Here on the top you can see URL, and then between these brackets here you need to highlight everything, and then right click here and then click here on paste. Okay, and when I scroll here and click here refresh preview, here you can see how my background now looks. So you can adjust this so people can know what exactly they will get. If they fulfill some survey or submit their email, they will get this ebook here. Okay, you don't have to do that, but it is a nice detail. Okay, so what you need to do then is you need to go back here on general, and here you can actually leave this as it is, and here you can see. So let me just, okay, I have a problem with this. File name, premium file. Now that is not the file name. So what I need to do, I actually need to give them the name of the ebook that they will get if they fulfill that survey or if they submit their email. So I can simply go back here on PDF Drive. So what I can do is I can simply copy the title of this ebook, because I'm going to give them this ebook, and then go back on CPA Grip, and I can actually highlight this, okay, and I can paste the title of the ebook. And here you can see the obesity code, unlock the secret of weight loss. That is the name of the ebook that I'm going to give them, okay? And you can actually play with this, you can make this bold, you can change the color of these letters, just play with it to see what all the things that you can do. Like I said, you don't really need to change those things, you just need to add the title of the ebook. You don't need to add this background image, but it is the nice touch. Okay, and then I can simply click here on show offers in order to add the offers, and here I can choose country, so I can say something. I can choose United States, okay, and I can choose, let's say, this one here, and I can choose this one here, okay, and I can choose this here, and this here, okay, and then just click here on save, okay, and then hide offers, and here you can see how many rows. So when I scroll here, I can choose, let's just leave it at 3, but you can actually add 4 rows, or you can change the other things, and so on and so on. And now we actually need to give them the ebook. After they fulfill the survey or submit their email, we promised that we will give them an ebook, right? So we need to give them an ebook. And what you need to do, again, you need to go back on PDF Drive, you need to click here, and then what you need to do, you need to click here on download, and you need to close this, okay? and give it a few seconds. And this is actually load. So like I said, it takes few seconds for this. And now you just need to click here on download PDF and download this PDF to your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you actually need to upload this ebook that you downloaded from PDF Drive to your Google Drive. And this is the ebook that I downloaded, and this is how this ebook looks. And next thing you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on these three dots. Click here and then click here on share. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on general access. You need to click here anyone with the link, okay? Because we need to give this ebook everybody who actually fulfilled the survey or submit their email. And then just click here, copy link. Go back on CPA grip and add that link here where it says locked URL, okay? And then just click here on save, and that's it. I saved this content locker, and when I click here, get links, so this is the link, copy link, and when I open it, this is how that actually looks, how this content locker looks. Take me, I understand the risk, okay? Unfortunately, my Bitdefender works like this, and this is how it looks, okay? For my country, there is currently no CPA offers on CPA grip. That is why there are no offers. Otherwise, there would be offers here, and then there would be here, download here, okay? And when they click on download, they would see these offers, and they would need to fulfill these offers, fulfill these surveys, or submit their email, and then they will be able to download this ebook from Google Drive, okay? That is how this works. So now when we have our content locker, now we need to actually start sending traffic to our content locker. Now I promised you CPA marketing free traffic method. And for this purpose, we are actually going to use Twitter. So what you need to do, you actually need to find people on Twitter who have a specific problem. Now to do that, you simply need to search questions. And because we are talking about weight loss, you need to search people who are posting something like, how do I lose weight? How do I lose love handles? How do I get fit? Something like that. So here in search bar, I can simply type something like, how do I lose weight? And click search. And when you click here on these three dots, you can click here on advanced search, and you can get more advanced search options to get more precise results. Now for this purpose, we don't need that. Here you can see, how do I lose weight? June 27, 17 hours ago, 21 hours ago, and so on and so on. And here you can see there is lots of people who are actually asking this question, who have this problem. And this is really, really important, so pay close attention. These other guys on YouTube, they will teach you that what you need to do is you simply need to comment on this post, for example, and you need to leave a link to your content locker. Or what you need to do, you need to send them a direct message to these people with the direct link to your content locker. Now that is a wrong way. In that way, you will be marked as spammer and your Twitter account will most likely be banned. So what you need to do, you actually need to start following all of these people here, and as you can see, there is lots of people. And not just that, and the more people you follow, the more people will follow you back. And not just that, you actually need to start engaging with their content, you need to start liking their content, you need to start retweeting, you need to start commenting. And like I said, you need to start engaging, and then you need to start sending them messages. In my previous video about Digistore 24, I actually showed you how you can automatically send messages to your followers on Twitter. And then because you engage regularly with their content, they will actually open your message to see what you have to say. What did you send them, right? And in that message, you need to say something like, hey, I see you have a problem with weight loss. I found this ebook. You can download it for free. All you have to do is just fulfill some stupid survey and you will get it for free. Now you need to say something like stupid survey or something like that, so it doesn't look like it is your content locker. It looks like you just found it and you download it, right? So you need to make that message look like that. So that is why this is CPA marketing free traffic method, because Twitter is free. You will pay nothing. And like I said, All you have to do is just follow all of these people here, and the more you follow, the more you will follow you back, and just engage with them, and they will start responding on your messages, okay? And you will start sending people to your content locker. So this is CPA marketing free traffic method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.